All right, what's up, everybody? The struggle continues. Another super choppy day, uh, and this one I actually in my TS Trader account I ended up red. Um, I tried to, I was a little, I tried to go ahead and be aggressive today, 'cause, um, just to let just to take the trades and let whatever happens happens. I think it's close to blowing out the account, but I don't. I think I'm still good as far as that, But I don't, I just was aggressive today because I really don't want to worry about that, and just let it, whatever happens, it's gonna happen. So anyway, as you see, and with looking at NQ today, we're still just chopping around. It's been really traders have been really indecisive, or the trading has been really indecisive. All over the place. We started out with a nice little dip, and then turned right around and um, like around. It wasn't long before I saw that. I think the first trade I took on NQ was in a paper trade, and it was just really to test the market out. It was early, not kind of close to to the opening bell. Like within those first 10 or 15 minutes, I went ahead and took a paper trade in Sierra chart just to test things out, and like it was really choppy. So I decided, like, right when we pulled back to this area right here. I just didn't like the price action, so I ended up not taking any live trades today, but I did take some trades in TS Trader. So getting into that, I took it on the Russell. Before I get into the trades, I did take. I almost took this one here, and it looks like, okay, there we go. I don't know. TS Trader is acting funny again. See, you see how my crosshairs don't really show up. Maybe let me see if I reset. So TS Trader don't really want to cooperate for some reason today. But I almost took this trade here, but it's already actually it's already past the time for me to trade, which is why I'm doing this video now. And as you can see, I can't even really place where I would want to get in because the crosshairs, the platform is not responding right. It's not acting right. So anyway, I could at least got a scalp there. But anyway, for the trades that I took today, I was a little impatient. I took this trade here, or took it one here short. But I felt like it was aggressive. This is before I decided to really get aggressive on the Russell. But it technically I got the signal and everything, so I went ahead and took it. And I wasn't patient enough with it. I probably should have let it play out a little more. Probably could have got a little more from the trade. But I ended up with like $25 there. And then I saw this tweezer top here bouncing off this is a 48 EMA. So I went ahead and took that trade right up in there. And this one I was a little too patient with it, and really, I traded, well, actually I should have got out. I ended up getting out way up here, but once this bullish candle came in, that should have been my exit at the once it broke the high of that 4 minute candle. So I took a big loss there, and then I ended up taking this one, taking my last one long here, and it was chopping around. And again, I was not patient enough, and I didn't let it just work out. So I ended up only taking a small win there. I think it was like maybe around $50 or whatever. So all in all, I actually I had ended the day red here, $180. So it is what it is. The market is just not really, it's really not easy to trade right now. I don't know exactly, we're kind of, it's like the bears are trying to push the market down, but the bulls just don't want to give up the fight. You see, we broke this, so like on the daily chart, we have kind of a we're still trading around in this range here, chopping around in this channel. but there's kind of a bearish flag here. Looking at the daily chart, and we broke the low of Friday, and we tried to keep going lower. We pulled back for a retest, and it's been chopping around ever since. So definitely not the easiest time to to trade anything really. Or actually, so if we go over to crude oil, I feel like I should be trading crude oil because crude oil has just been Friday it was easy to trade. I think Thursday it was it gave some good opportunities, and today some really good opportunities in here to trade. Um, Before I was trading the Nasdaq and crude oil at the same time, so I may go back to that. I may revert back to trading both of those, because sometimes when one it's not a good day for one, the other one will give you some good trades, and that they kind of balance each other out, and you can still end up with a green day, even though say like Nasdaq is really hard to trade that day or whatever. So anyway, that's my trades for today. Little bit of insight of what I saw play out today in terms of price action, and so moving forward, like I said in the pre-market insight, I these videos well probably for the rest of the month, or at least through Christmas. Um, I'm going to be occupied with some other things that I got to take care of, so I won't be making these videos daily anymore. But if you like seeing these videos, go ahead and leave me a comment below in the comment section, and once my schedule clears up a little bit, I get back to making these the pre-market insight and the futures mid-market recap. So I hope you guys are doing trading well out there and crushing it. And I will see you when I see you.